could have had a coffee somewhere.
Where the fuck is my Coke Zero? Did you drink it?
Softly, softly, softly. Oh, lover, why you got me clubbered? Frustrated and bothered, paranoid that you destroy my color and painted, cover it and faded, leave me looking jaded. Why do I still love you when I hate this? Got me keeping quiet, but you know I wanna talk about it. I don't wanna have to hide it, I need someone to confide in. Don't let me stow it away, cause I can barely fight it. It's a constant ache when I'm reminded that you never call my telephone, but you know I broke the law. What is it you're holding on to? Because there's something wrong. I understand that you may never want me close, but understand that I need you the most to spread my love along your part. So please tread softly, please tell me you won't go stomping harshly. You don't have to want me, but please tread softly, 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 softly. Karma, why do I even bother when you never wanna stick with me instead of choosing others to favor? You know I can't.
This one does it really make you very drowsy.
Take me back to the ground, 'cause girl, you look fine as hell. I'm not easily distracted, you're acting like a magnet. You pull me in. I'll be putting on a suit, be tiptoeing at you if you're down for it. Got nothing else to do and nothing else to lose, and I'm down for this. If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon, just like a movie scene, table for two. Don't need to be fair, I want you instead. If you're in the mood, we can tiptoe to the moon. Oh, yeah. Tell my friends to